In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Clipchamp desktop app on your computer. Clipchamp is a fantastic tool for video editing, and having the desktop version can really streamline your workflow if you're creating content on a regular basis. Now, let's dive right into the steps to get you set up with Clipchamp on your desktop. First, you'll want to navigate to the Clipchamp website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Clipchamp. Press enter, and you'll quickly find yourself on the official website. Once you're there, take a moment to look for the option to install the desktop app. You'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom left corner of the website. It's straightforward and easy to spot, so no need to worry about missing it. Once you've clicked on Install Desktop App, you'll be prompted to open the Microsoft Store on your computer. This is the next key step in the process. The link you've clicked will guide you to the Microsoft Store smoothly, ensuring there's no hassle on your end. So just sit back and follow the prompts as you proceed. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, you'll see an option to install Clipchamp. Go ahead and click that, and the installation process will begin automatically. It's really as simple as that. Just let the store do its magic as it downloads and installs the app onto your desktop. During the installation, you might be asked for permissions or to confirm the installation details. This is just the system's way of ensuring that everything is secure and running smoothly. Make sure to allow the necessary permissions so the app can function correctly once it's installed. After all that's done, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the installation is complete. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully installed the Clipchamp desktop app. It's now ready to use, and you can start creating and editing videos right from your desktop. Remember, having the desktop version of Clipchamp can significantly boost your productivity. With easier access and the convenience of having it installed directly on your computer, you can dive into your video projects anytime without having to open a web browser. So go ahead, open the app, familiarize yourself with its user-friendly interface, and enjoy creating high-quality content effortlessly. That's it for today's guide. Clipchamp is now at your fingertips, ready to facilitate all your video editing needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.